Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making some amazing duff. Alright, so before I go on, I just want to say happy Emancipation to my Guyanese brothers and sisters in Guyana and around the world. Now we all know this is one of the menus that are usually prepared, or the recipe that are usually used during Emancipation, or just whenever you feel like eating some good metangy and some good duff. So I'll be showing you how to make the perfect duff. I also be stuffing a few. So before we get into this video, if you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, like and share. Alright, so these are the ingredients that we'll be using to make our saltfish. So first what we'll be doing is, to a pot of boiling water, we're going to add our saltfish. Make sure to strain that out and continue washing the fish until most, if not all, of the salt you get rid of. And you're going to set that aside. Now to a pan here, I'm adding some spicy chili garlic oil, which I made myself. Add some onions, garlic and ginger, some thyme, some basil, green onions, tomato, and my saltfish. Season to your likeness and taste, and we're going to set this aside. Now let's get ready to make our duff. To our flour, we're adding some sugar and salt. Rub that in well. Now this is the key to making the best duff. No fall duff over here. Alright, then we're going to add some baking powder. Not to worry, everything that I'm using here will be in the description box. I am also adding some salted butter. Then I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon, of course, why not? More flavor, and some good nutmeg, just a tad bit. Rub that in, and then we are going to add some water, and I'm using like lukewarm water. We are going to mix and pull this dough together until it's really well combined. And I did let mine sit for about 10 minutes. So there I have my saltfish ready, and we are going to fold our duff here. We are going to press this out, you know, like forming a well in the center at the saltfish. You can even add boiled egg, your choice. Alright, just make this your own. Stuff this with whatever you want to stuff it with. Alright, you're going to pinch that and make sure it is well sealed. This is what it looks like. And we're going to set them aside. So I am going to drop the video for the metangy. So I did remove my provisions, and now I'm going to add my duff. Looking good, smelling amazing. So we're going to drop the duff in here. So the key to not having or making fall duff is not to peek too often in your pot. You really don't want to peek until the time is up. Alright, so anywhere between Alright, so 12 to 15 minutes to be exact. This is what your amazing duff should look like, and you are going to remove. Set that aside. Oh my gosh, look at those guys, absolutely amazing. I just add some of that beautiful broth. Look at this, guys. It is so fluffy. Can you tell? Yeah. Guys, this was so beautiful. I just can't wait for you guys to make this, and please send me a picture. 12 to 13 minutes to be exact. All right. And I did stuff a few and some I did without. So you can choose to do this stuff however you want, okay? Beautiful. Look at that. Nice and spongy. Soak up all that beautiful coconut broth. And I will drop the video for this beautiful, look at that, MG. Now this is a must-have for Emancipation, or just anytime you feel like eating some good old Guyanese food. You can definitely make the MG. There I'm just removing the thyme, the stem from the thyme. You can garnish with your parsley. Amazing. Yep. So again, if you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, like, share, and comment on this video. Emancipation is going to be first, so I do hope you guys make this, tag me, let me know. All right, love you guys. See you all on the next video.